Hello, today we will introduce this HYCHIKA 800-watt electric jigsaw in detail. This is the switch trigger, lock-on switch, speed adjust dial, laser switch, cutting action changing lever, safety guard, quick release chunk, chassis. And next, this is the speed adjustment switch. Adjust the speed you need from this speed knob. There are 7 speed dials in total, from the min to max speed. Now, how to set up a jigsaw. Firstly, turn the device over. Align the card slot. Install the dust pipe and spin it, then connect it to vacuum equipment. Secondly, install the saw blade. Turn over the device. Open the safety guard. Press the quick release chunk and insert a piece of a saw blade. And check if the blade is fixed. Thirdly, install the guide ruler. Insert the caliper into the card slot. And tighten the screw with a wrench. Finally, turn on the laser. When cutting is difficult, it's time to replace the saw blade with a new one. Take out the old saw blade and install a new one, then, the power is back.